Okay, well, I'm out here at the hive and we are going to do a little winterization. So it's going to be putting the cover on and um, putting the cover on and putting in a little entrance reducer to keep the mice away, and putting some acid down over the honey to kill any mites or anything that are in there. So here we go. Let's open that baby up. Unfortunately, it's looking pretty quiet. I'm gonna take this top off and we'll see, but I think the bees are gone. Shit. Alright, actually we do have some bees, so there they are. So I'm going to proceed with the mite treatment and winterizing the hive. So this is the acid. It's sugar water and acid, and we just are supposed to put it across all of the frames to make sure that it kills any mites that might be in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bottom box as much as I can with just the top one off at an angle like this, and then I'll douse the top box really well. So they're starting to wake up here. Okay, hopefully that's not the queen that I smashed, but this is an entrance reducer, so that's going to go down in the bottom, and then I have a mouse keeper outer thing. I don't know what it's called. So I put the acid over the top of the hive, and now we're going to take care of the entrance. That entrance reducer didn't fit in there exactly the way it was supposed to, so we still have that little gap there, but you know, that's as best as I can do. So alright, now that's the moisture board, and that is to keep the moisture out of the hive. So that's going to go on, and then the lid, and then the other lid. And that is the winter wrap. So it's just a little insulator thing. Okay, so there we go. There's a wrap around it. I put this bale of hay in front of it, and they've got a bunch of frames of honey and a little bit of protection here. So we'll be back in the spring and see if they survive the winter. No bee stings. And that's the end of our first year of beekeeping. Hopefully those little guys will make it through the winter.